Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable document storage for tax audit using Google Drive. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Google sign up page. Once logged in, navigate to Google Drive by clicking on the Drive icon in the Google Apps menu. In Google Drive, click the plus new button located on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Folder to create a new folder for your tax documents. Name the folder something recognizable, such as Tax Audit Documents. After creating the folder, double-click on it. To upload documents, click the plus new button again. This time, select File Upload to choose individual files or Folder Upload to upload an entire folder. Locate and select the tax documents you want to upload from your computer. Once selected, click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the files to finish uploading. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom right corner. After uploading, ensure all files are properly named for easy identification. To organize your documents, consider creating subfolders within the main folder. You can create subfolders for different years or categories, such as receipts, W-2 forms, or 1099s. Share the folder with your accountant or anyone who needs access. To share, right-click on the main folder and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with. Set their permission level to viewer, commenter, or editor based on their needs. Once you've added emails, click Send to share the folder. To enhance document security, enable two-factor authentication on your Google account. This adds an extra layer of protection to your sensitive tax information. Regularly backup your files by downloading copies to an external storage device. Lastly, make it a habit to review and update your documents annually. This ensures you maintain an organized system for any future audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.